Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix WorldBox sound problem easy and quick. So to fix this problem, just follow and watch this video till the end. Open your settings of your device first, click at apps option then and search for WorldBox and click on it like this. Here scroll down this list, click storage and click clear cache. Now back, click on force stop, click OK. Go directly to Play Store or App Store and update WorldBox, restart next your mobile phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you next tutorial.